Did you know that garlic, this humble ingredient that often goes unnoticed in the kitchen, is actually one of your health's greatest allies? In today's video, I'll take you in depth into the incredible properties of garlic, exploring how it can strengthen your immune system, protect your heart, and even improve your mental health. Stay with me until the end, because the tips I'm about to share can truly transform your eating routine and bring lasting benefits to your life. The history of garlic, from antiquity to modernity. Before we dive into the specific benefits of garlic, it's worth learning a little more about the history of this superfood. The use of garlic dates back thousands of years and is widely documented in the ancient civilizations of Egypt, Greece, Rome, China, and India. It was seen not only as a valuable spice, but also as a natural remedy with healing properties. In ancient Egypt, garlic was so highly valued that the slaves who built the pyramids were fed garlic daily to increase their strength and endurance. There are even reports of workers going on strike when the supply of garlic was cut off. This shows how garlic was essential to the Egyptian diet, not only as a food but as a form of preventative medicine. In ancient Greece, Hippocrates, often called the father of medicine, prescribed garlic for a variety of conditions, from respiratory problems to digestive disorders. He believed that garlic was a true cure-all, a belief that continued for centuries. Greek athletes also used garlic before competitions, believing that it could improve their physical performance. In ancient Rome, garlic was used by soldiers to give them strength and courage during battle. They believed that garlic gave them an edge over their enemies, increasing their stamina and protecting them from infectious diseases that could spread quickly in military camps. In traditional Chinese medicine, garlic is considered a warming food that helps to balance the body, stimulate blood circulation, and increase vital energy. For centuries, it has been used to treat a wide range of conditions, from earaches to fevers, and it remains an essential part of natural medicine in these cultures to this day. Over time, garlic has gained popularity around the world, and its medicinal properties have been increasingly studied and documented by modern science. Today, we know that garlic is rich in compounds that offer a range of health benefits, and its use continues to be recommended by nutritionists and doctors around the world. What makes garlic so special? Now that we understand a little more about the history and cultural value of garlic, let's explore what really makes this food so special. The key to most of garlic's benefits lies in the compounds it contains, especially allicin. Allicin is formed when garlic is cut, crushed, or chewed, and is responsible for much of garlic's strong aroma, as well as its therapeutic properties. Allicin has antimicrobial, antiviral, antifungal, and antioxidant properties, which make garlic a true ally in the prevention and treatment of diseases. But allicin does not work alone. Garlic is also rich in other compounds, which contribute to cardiovascular health and help reduce the risk of cancer. Garlic is a rich source of essential vitamins and minerals. It contains vitamin C, which is essential for the functioning of the immune system and for protecting against infections. The vitamin B6 present in garlic helps in the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and sleep. Manganese, another mineral present in garlic, is important for bone health and the metabolism of carbohydrates and fats. And selenium, a potent antioxidant, helps prevent cellular damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. But what really makes garlic a superfood is the unique combination of these compounds, which work together to provide a wide range of health benefits. Let's explore some of these benefits in more detail now. How garlic boosts immunity. When it comes to boosting immunity, garlic is one of the most powerful foods you can include in your diet. Allicin, released when garlic is cut or crushed, has antimicrobial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. This means it helps fight infections, colds, flu, and other illnesses. Garlic's ability to strengthen the immune system has been documented in several scientific studies. One study conducted in England, for example, showed that people who took garlic supplements for 12 weeks in the winter were 63% less likely to catch a cold compared to those who took a placebo. And even when participants who consumed garlic became ill, they recovered more quickly than those who did not. Garlic also helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are the cells responsible for fighting infections in the body. It increases the activity of macrophages, which are cells that ingest and destroy pathogens, and also stimulates the production of T cells, which are essential in the immune response. In addition, garlic is a powerful antioxidant, which means it helps protect the body against damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to the development of chronic diseases. By fighting free radicals, garlic helps keep the immune system strong and healthy. Garlic also has anti-inflammatory properties, which are important for immune health. Chronic inflammation is a risk factor for several diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. By reducing inflammation in the body, garlic helps prevent these diseases and keeps the immune system in balance. Other amazing benefits of garlic. While garlic is best known for its immune-boosting properties, it also offers a number of other health benefits. Let's explore some of them. Heart benefits. Garlic is one of the most studied foods when it comes to cardiovascular health. It is known for its ability to help lower blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. Allicin and other compounds in garlic help relax blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily. This can lower blood pressure and decrease the risk of heart attack and stroke. Garlic may also help reduce levels of LDL cholesterol, known as bad cholesterol. LDL cholesterol can build up on the walls of your arteries, forming plaque that can lead to atherosclerosis, a condition that can result in a heart attack or stroke. By lowering LDL cholesterol, garlic helps protect your arteries and keep your heart healthy. In addition, garlic may help prevent blood clots from forming. It has anticoagulant properties that can help prevent blood from becoming too thick and forming clots. This is especially important for people who are at risk for cardiovascular disease or who have already had a heart attack or stroke. Antioxidant properties. As mentioned earlier, garlic is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body against damage caused by free radicals. This damage is associated with aging and the development of several chronic diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. Antioxidants in garlic, such as allicin and selenium, help neutralize free radicals and protect the body's cells from damage. This may help slow the aging process and reduce the risk of degenerative diseases. Studies also suggest that garlic may help protect the brain against neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Oxidative stress and inflammation play a role in the development of these diseases, and garlic may help combat these risk factors, protecting brain cells and improving cognitive function. Improves sleep and combats stress. Garlic can also have a positive impact on mental and emotional health. It is known to help regulate levels of the stress hormone cortisol, which has a calming effect on the nervous system. This can help improve sleep quality and reduce stress and anxiety levels. In addition, the vitamin B6 found in garlic is essential for the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood, sleep, and appetite. Consuming garlic regularly can help improve mood, increase feelings of well-being, and reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Garlic can also help combat insomnia, especially when consumed before bed. Some people believe that consuming raw garlic or garlic in the form of tea before bed can help relax the body and mind, promoting deeper, more restful sleep. Combats respiratory illnesses. Garlic has been used for centuries to treat respiratory problems, and its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties make it an effective natural remedy for a variety of respiratory conditions, including asthma, bronchitis, and sinusitis. Garlic can help clear airways, reduce inflammation in the lungs, and improve breathing. It can also help prevent chronic respiratory infections by strengthening the respiratory system's defenses. A popular home remedy for colds and coughs is garlic tea. To make it, simply boil a few chopped garlic cloves in water, add honey and lemon to taste, and drink while it's still warm. This tea can help relieve symptoms of colds and coughs, speed up recovery, and strengthen the immune system. Aid in detoxification. Garlic is also a powerful detoxifier. It helps the liver eliminate toxins and heavy metals, such as lead and mercury, from the body. The presence of sulfur compounds in garlic is essential in this detoxification process, helping to protect the liver and promote overall health of the body. In some studies, garlic has been linked to a reduced risk of liver cancer, thanks to its ability to neutralize toxic substances and promote cell regeneration. Consuming garlic regularly can help keep the liver healthy and prevent liver disease. How to include more garlic in your diet. Now that you know all the incredible benefits of garlic, it's time to learn how to incorporate it into your daily diet. Here are some practical tips. Raw garlic. Although raw garlic has a strong flavor, it is in this form that it offers the highest amount of allicin. Try adding chopped raw garlic to salads, dips, or spreading it on toast with olive oil. This can be a great accompaniment to soups and main dishes. Cooked garlic. If you prefer a milder flavor, cooking garlic still preserves many of its benefits, especially if you follow a few simple tips. Before cooking, crush or mince the garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes to activate the allicin. You can add garlic to soups, stir-fries, roasts, marinades, and just about any dish you want to enhance with flavor and health. Garlic tea. Garlic tea is a great way to enjoy the benefits of garlic, especially during cold and flu season. To make it, boil a few cloves of minced garlic in water for about 10 minutes. Add honey and lemon to enhance the flavor and drink while it's still warm. This tea can help relieve respiratory symptoms and strengthen the immune system. Garlic oil. Garlic oil is an easy way to add the flavor and benefits of garlic to your diet. You can use it in cooking or as a salad dressing. To make garlic oil at home, gently heat a few crushed garlic cloves in olive oil, being careful not to burn the garlic. Let the oil cool and store it in a glass jar. Garlic consumption tips and precautions. Although garlic is extremely healthy, it is important to consume it in moderation. For most people, 1 to 2 garlic cloves per day are enough to reap the benefits without overdoing it. Consuming garlic in excess can cause gastrointestinal discomfort, such as stomach pain, gas, or even skin irritation when handling raw garlic. If you are taking medications, especially blood thinners, it is important to consult a doctor before significantly increasing your garlic intake. Garlic can potentiate the effects of certain medications, which can be harmful if not monitored. Additionally, if you have health issues related to your digestive system or are pregnant, it is also advisable to speak to a healthcare professional before making major changes to your diet. Garlic is one of the most powerful superfoods you can include in your diet. With its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and immune-boosting properties, it offers a wide range of health benefits, from protecting your heart to strengthening your immune system and improving your mental health. Incorporating garlic into your daily diet is a simple and effective way to promote health and well-being. If you are interested in the benefits of garlic and want to learn more about how other foods can transform your health, keep exploring the channel. There are many other superfoods and nutrition tips that can help you live a healthier and more balanced life. Remember, small changes in your diet can make a big difference in your health and quality of life. Let's go on this journey together towards greater health and vitality.